Because the current regime, I think, ultimately, and you know this as well as I do, is going to get plugged into whatever CIR becomes reality.
One good pointer that is coming to my mind, hopefully CIR gets passed, there will be a lot of advantages, but there are a couple of areas where some people are going to get hurt, which is the elimination of the brother, sister, sub-citizen, family fourth preference category. Exactly. It may not be eliminated right away. It's going to stay about 18 months even after the enactment of the bill. And the age limit of 31 on the married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens.
Exactly.
Now, these are the two categories. I hope they change it, but if they don't change it and this bill is passed, I would say that if you are a U.S. citizen and your brother or sister, you haven't filed a petition, file it now. Let them put in the pipeline, at least in the line. Same thing, you are a citizen and you got a married son or a daughter, file it now. Because I have a strong feeling, and David will agree with me, that if the CIR passed, the numbers will move very faster. And one of the things that they want to do is to clean the slate. I mean, clean up all the backlogs, the big lines that they have. Which means, practically speaking, even if you are filing a A4 petition for your brother or sister today, you are coming to David and me and we are looking at the normal period, I say 15 years, 20 years, maybe more.
Right.
But they may not be true. Once the CIR passes, of course, I hope that they will continue the pipeline cases at least for some period of time.
Exactly.
The 2 years already have. I know 6 months in passage of the bill and 18 months to more. 2 months and maybe they will continue the process, the cases to clean the slate. So it may happen in 3 years, 4 years or earlier. Isn't it a good idea?
But well, Michael, the point that you're making is a really good one because it goes back to what I was saying is that think about how difficult it is for us as immigration practitioners. We're keeping an eye on what could potentially happen out there under CIR. At the same time, we're very focused in on what already exists and how we have to see how we can advise our clients on what they can do so that they can get into the system that's ultimately going to be changing. It's almost like a multi-level chess game. For those of you who remember Star Trek, where they used to play the multi-level chess game, that's what it is for us to do an analysis. So we may say to our clients or our prospective clients, think about the family-based fourth preference, get it filed now to hopefully clear it out in the future.
You have to be creative like Michael Fulvani or David Nachman to come up with these ideas and help you. So keep watching us every Sunday morning at 11:45 a.m. and Saturday evening at 8:15 p.m. Thank you very much and goodbye.